This old guy DIY video has to do with the steps that I go through every time I or a friend of mine gets a new to you outboard motor. So over the last 40 years, I've helped a lot of friends who get boats of one type or another. I think I have it down to a science as to what needs to be done to get to know the new motor. In this case, a hot chick that I know went and bought a pontoon with this 115 horse 2003 Merc on it. So I just made a list of all the different things that I do when a new motor shows up. I'll share that with you right now, and then I will have videos of each of the steps as I do them. So anytime I get a new to you boat motor, the first thing to check is the battery. I have a little battery tester for that. Then I pull the prop shaft off and check for fishing line. And when it comes to things that change just because you don't know what kind of maintenance the prior owner did, I change the oil filter, spark plugs, water pump impeller, and the lower unit oil. And the source that I really like for the diagrams and parts is Crowley Marine. So I normally go to Crowley, check the diagram, find out what kind of part that I need. Then I go to Amazon, see what it has for price and delivery. Then I buy from either Crowley or Amazon. If you'd like to see me do these various actions on this particular motor, please click on my other videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.